You might find as you're switching between cameras that not all cameras have the same color characteristics. Some might be brighter or darker than others or have different tints or hues. Now, cameras themselves often have their own color adjustments, and that would be the best place to try to make these adjustments, but there is color correction capability in the TriCaster itself. We want to try to make all the cameras look consistent, so as we switch between them, it's not jarring as you go from one angle to another. Here we are in the TriCaster, and every input has its own color correction settings. So all you need to do is click on the gear for the input you want to adjust, and then in the window that opens, go to the Image tab, and under the area that says Proc Amp, these are the adjustments you can make. So the first two are brightness and contrast, and these will adjust the overall brightness of the image. The next two are hue and saturation, and these will adjust the color aspects of the image. And if you need to, you can hit reset to restore everything back to its default settings. Now there's also an option called white balance, and to use this you would need to stick a white card in front of the camera, and then we can sample that to fix the color adjustment to make that white card look white. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go to my PTZ camera, which right now is not in good color adjustment. So if I hold up my white card, you can see that it looks very yellow. All I got to do is click in this box, drag onto the white card, let go, and you can see now the card looks white, and it has recalibrated that input so that everything is more balanced for its color setup.